In order to turn on the boiler, put the thermostat in the on position, then select the desired temperature you want your house at. After that, go to the basement, turn the switch on, make sure you have power going to the boiler, right? Locate this bleeder valve, put something under it so you don't make a mess. You can use pliers, 10 millimeter wrench, whatever you have on your toolbox. Then that blinking light, you press it for about 15 or 20 seconds until you see those two LED lights go on.
Ya me escucha eso. Si uno allá, ¿cómo limpiar eso?
Yellow and
Ya me quedó de mucho ya.
one green. Once you see that, you depress the button. The board, open the bleeder valve, let the air out. If the boiler goes up, it means that there is still air in the system. So you close the valve again, close it, press the button once, just once this time, and open the bleeder valve again. Once you see only oil coming out of the bleeder valve, it means that the air has been bled from the system. So you close the bleeder valve, and if the boiler stays on, it means that the procedure has been successful. And make sure everything is good, and you're gonna have to.
Tú, se sabrá rápido, güey.
Thank you.